Are you ready to unlock a world of information hidden within those mysterious squares? Today, we're diving into how to scan QR codes on your Samsung phone. Why it's easier than you think. We'll explore multiple ways to do it, so you can choose what works best for you. First up, the simplest method, using your built-in camera app. Open your camera app now. Simply point your camera at the QR code. Make sure the entire code is visible within the frame. In most cases, your phone will automatically detect the QR code. A notification will pop up, usually a link. Tap on the notification to open the link in your browser. If the camera doesn't automatically scan, check your camera settings. Look for an option like Scan QR Codes or QR Scanner and make sure it's toggled on. Next, let's explore Bixby Vision. Open Bixby Vision. You can usually find it in your app drawer or within the camera app as a mode. Point Bixby Vision at the QR code. Bixby Vision will then scan the code and display the information or prompt you to open a link, very similar to using the camera. Finally, if you prefer a dedicated app, you can download a third-party QR code scanner from the Google Play Store. There are many free and reliable options available. Just search for QR code scanner, read the reviews and choose a reputable one. Open the app and follow its instructions to scan the QR code. These apps often offer additional features like creating your own QR codes. And that's it. 3 easy ways to scan QR codes with your Samsung phone. Now you can unlock information, access websites, and so much more in just seconds. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Samsung tips and tricks.